Today we're going to talk about budget. Hey, have you ever heard of a budget before?
Yeah, I've heard of it, but I only know that it has something to do with spending money.
Yes, it does. A budget is a plan for how you will spend your money. Think of it as a roadmap that shows you how to get from one place to another. Just like you need a map to get to your destination, you need a budget to help you reach your financial goals. A budget helps you keep track of how much money you have and how you're going to spend it. It's a way to make sure you're using your money wisely so that you do not overspend it.
Oh, so it's like a way to help you save money?
Yes, but it's much more than that. Creating a budget is actually pretty simple. First, you need to add up all your income, such as the money you get from allowance, part-time jobs, or birthday gifts. Then, you list all the stuff you need to pay for, like food, toys, and clothes. Finally, you need to find the difference between your income and expenses. If you have money left over, that's great. You can save it for something else you want. But if you're spending more than you're making, you'll need to cut back on your expenses. Remember, you should always make sure you do not spend more money than you do not have.
That sounds easy enough. So, you are saying, I need to make sure my income is more than my expenses.
Yes, that's right. You are such a smart little girl.
Thank you. That's so kind of you.
Just remember, having a budget is an important step in taking control of your finances. And that's all for today, guys. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more Money Matters videos. And if you want to see more videos on this topic, check out this video.